We're out in Meade, Colorado. It's just north of Denver. We're out here with B Trenchless or BT Construction.
This project here is a storm sewer project to pick up drainage on the other side of the highway and bring it over to this side of the highway.
The two bores are going to be about 7 foot apart from one another, same line and grade. We got one pipe that we're just going to weld each joint together. The other one is Tri-Loc. I haven't worked with Trinity pipe, so we'll see how they fit up.
I'm hoping that we can get 30 to 40 feet of the welded pipe. I'm hoping to almost double production on the Tri-Loc pipe.
I'd always been taught by the old school guys, never use spiral weld. Never, ever, ever use spiral weld. Everything's gonna roll, everything's gonna break, everything's gonna do this. So I was taught that for years. Then I got to go to the pipe school and look and see how it was built, look and see how the welds aren't raised as much on the inside or outside as they used to be. And then we talked about this and this opportunity arose. So
They started the bevel by square bore about 5 weeks ago. Took them about 3.5 weeks to get through, but that was due to a lot of snow, probably about 7 working days. And now they started on the Tri-Loc on Monday. Had some bad weather. We only got about 30 feet in because they had to quit by about 1 o'clock that day. But yesterday, Tuesday, we got 80 feet, which was great, exactly what we were hoping for. And today I have 80 feet to finish up.
With the welded joints, it's taking average 40 foot a day. And then with the Tri-Loc, we were able to get 80 foot in a 10-hour shift.
Everything seems to be fitting up real nice on everything and going together good. The O-rings go on there nice.
We're able to prep a pipe and home it, in 23 minutes.
They're going together easy. We make sure we just hear some pops and we know that we're good. Once we hear those pops, we know we're good.
I think the Tri-Loc goes home pretty good. We don't have to spoon it in to get it started.
I've always been a strong advocate of pipe like this. I hate welding in the welding time. I got a whole crew standing around while 2 guys are welding.
when I look around and you have 5 guys out here, if I can have 5 guys standing around for 23 minutes, not 2 hours, it's a big difference.
We're boring more, faster. The guys shoveling are working harder that way, so, you know.
With welding, I had a little 2-hour break welding, and then now I only have like 30 minutes, and then I got to shovel again. That's the only thing that sucks, but.
You know, making it easier on these guys, eliminating welding, eliminating the time out here in the field doing this job, allowing them to go on to another job.
As long as the production can go up and it's a cost savings to be trenchless, it's really a no-brainer from our standpoint.
Tri-Loc works the way it's supposed to and faster than welding your normal casing. It's going to save you money.